In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an app with Base44. If you've ever dreamed of creating your own app, but weren't sure where to start, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in to make this process as straightforward as possible. The first thing you need to do is head over to Base44's website, simply open your web browser, and type in base44.com. Once you're on the site, you'll need to either log into your existing account or set up a new one if you haven't done this before. The sign-up process is quick and hassle-free, and there's a free option available, so feel free to take advantage of it. After you're logged in, you'll find yourself in the main user interface, where the magic happens. Look for a text box on your screen. This is where you can start telling Base44 exactly what kind of app you'd like to build. Keep your description short, clear, and specific. For example, you might type something like, "I want a booking app for my salon with a homepage and appointment form." Once you've done this, go ahead and click on the Generate App button. With advanced AI capabilities, Base44 will take your description and generate the initial version of your app in just moments. Next up is customizing your app to make it uniquely yours. You'll be working with a visual editor, which makes the process intuitive and fun. Feel free to change text, colors, and images to better fit your brand or personal style. If you need additional functionality, you can add new pages and buttons. Base44 also allows you to connect various features like login options or a chat feature. The drag and drop capability ensures everything is exactly where you want it, providing a stress-free user experience while building. Now, it's time to test your app. You'll want to click on the preview button to generate a full preview of how your app will appear to users. Go through every page and button to ensure all elements and functionalities are working correctly. This step is crucial for ironing out any issues before your app goes live. Once you're satisfied that everything is in order, it's time to save your hard work. Click on the Save button to secure the latest version of your app. After saving, you're ready to unleash your creation to the world. Click the Publish button, and just like that, your app will be accessible online for users to begin enjoying. That's it. You've successfully built an app with Base44, and the possibilities from here are endless. Explore further customization as you grow your app. Thank you for joining, and happy app building.